So for today's trade of the day, we're going to be looking at sterling dollar. Now, sterling dollar, the long trade we had here was a trade that we called in the chat room. Now, the chat room is a place where trend signal users can chat about with other trend signal users about trades, what they're looking at, and get really that the confidence of ensuring that they're looking at the right opportunities at the right time. So the ability to chat with other trend signal users, like-minded people using the same strategies that you are, and also trend signal coaches in there as well, also chatting, calling trades. Now, this is a trade that I called today on sterling US dollar, looking for that rotation back higher again. So here we are. This is 2 o'clock this afternoon. It's now 5:30. We've already hit our first target on it. Really looking for, see prices basing here, indicators then turning from red to green here. It's really giving us that turning point in the market and really giving us the question mark as to whether we think this market is now likely to rally higher. So how do we answer that question? Because the indicators have turned from red to green here and also here as well. So the trend signal line, the vector average there, market's oversold, turning from red to green. What we're looking for with sterling dollar is opportunities to buy. We're favoring the buy side. Now, why is that? Favoring the buy side because the trend is up for the last 5 or 6 weeks or so, really since we based in the below 150. We've been seeing prices push higher. The trend has therefore been up. The path of least resistance higher, so therefore we're looking for opportunities to buy. So here's our buy. 2 o'clock today, 155.16. Ordinarily, we're looking for trades on this time frame of a 4-hour chart to be in positions for sort of a day or 3 days. It's a perfect time frame for computer-based workers, or really for the sorts of people who don't want to be stuck in front of the screen all day. So 155.16 is our entry. First target, 155.85. See the dotted red line here? This is where we're expecting prices to get to in the short term, maybe longer term, pushing up another 20-30 points or so, up to 156.15. But you know what, the market's moved up there really, really quickly today. And within that, before that 4-hour bar can even finish, we've pushed up beyond that first target, 155.85. I took my profits on that level today there. So just within a couple of hours, picking up about 70 or 65, 70 points there. Remember, if you're going to take 65 points, if you're going to do that at £1 a point, that's 65 quid. Now, that's not going to set the world alight, of course, but what if you're doing that at £10 a point? 650 quid there, potentially tax-free if you're spread betting as well. So really nice potential income there from that trade. The good news is, get on trades like this, you do not have to be chained in front of the desk. All you need is to be looking at the right time frames for you and the right strategies, and then you place the trade and you walk away. A great trade, great profits there, all called live to trend signal customers, and you could be getting on the same thing too. And if you want to find out a bit more about what we do and how we do it, why don't you book yourself a place for one of our live events. The next one is on Thursday the 9th of May at 7 PM UK time. If you look at the live events page on the website, you can book yourself a free place there and find a lot more about what we do and how we get into trades like this and so on and so forth. So hopefully we'll see you online. Thanks for listening.